Want to customize your decor and support a higher cause? With each purchase of this beautiful transfer, we pay your kindness forward by donating $2 US straight to Watts of Love to help with the amazing cause of bringing light to those in need. I'll start by removing the transfer from the backer sheet and pressing it to the terry cloth side of our fuzzing cloth, which picks up a bit of lint to help gentle the adhesive and prevent transfer stretch. I'll apply it to our beautiful 9x12 box frame. It's perfectly matched for this transfer size and easy to position. I'll just make sure I lay it down smoothly and there are no bubbles. My first paste color is Peachy Keen, and it's stirred and ready to go. I'll load up my mini squeegee, and it's the perfect size to carefully chalk just the flourishes above the text. Once the screen area is covered, I'll just peel back the transfer a bit, just past the chalk. This prevents the chalk paste from drying on the screen and getting patchy. And then gently lay it back down. Next, I'll pull the black velvet paste, and using my small squeegee, just chalk the word kindness. And again, pull back the transfer just to where I've chalked. That's looking so nice and crisp. I'll lay it down and make sure I've got it adhered on the lower half. And my last color here is one of my all-time favorites, Guava. I've got another mini squeegee here so I can just chalk the banner portion of the design, and having the right tool makes it easy to get the look I'm after. Now I'll finish it off with more Peachy Keen, completely filling the screen area, moving carefully around the sections. And there it is! So quick, so easy, and such an important statement right now. It's a constant reminder that our kindness does matter, and it also represents your own contribution to the amazing team and mission we support at Watts of Love.